What is around Ross Castle? If you are curious about what lies beyond the stunning walls of Ross Castle, you are in for a treat. This beautiful castle is located on the edge of Lough Leane in Killarney National Park, County Kerry, Ireland. Built in the 15th century by the O'Donoghue clan, it is a remarkable piece of history. The castle is surrounded by a defensive wall and flanking towers, two of which still stand strong today. One of the highlights around Ross Castle is the breathtaking Lough Leane itself. The tranquil waters provide a picturesque setting, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a peaceful boat ride. You can hop on a boat trip to Inisfallen Island, where you will find the ruins of a 7th century monastery. This site is historically significant, as it is where the annals of Inisfallen, a medieval chronicle, was created. Killarney National Park is another gem nearby. This expansive park offers a variety of walking trails that cater to all fitness levels. You can wander through lush forests, enjoy scenic views, and even spot local wildlife, such as red deer. The park is open year-round, making it a great destination no matter when you visit. If you are looking for amenities, the town of Killarney is just a short distance away. Here, you will find a range of accommodations, restaurants, and shops. It makes for a convenient base while you explore the area. The town is well signposted and easily accessible, making it a popular stop on routes like the Ring of Kerry. This scenic drive showcases Ireland's stunning coastline and countryside. In addition to the natural beauty and historical significance, the area around Ross Castle is rich in local culture. You can enjoy traditional Irish music in the nearby pubs or sample delicious local cuisine. The blend of history, nature, and culture makes this area a must-visit for anyone traveling in Ireland. So, when you think of Ross Castle, remember that it is not just a castle. It is surrounded by the serene waters of Lough Leane, the historic ruins of Inisfallen Island, the vast Killarney National Park, and the vibrant town of Killarney. Each of these elements adds to the charm and allure of this hidden gem in Ireland.